Dell is one of the world's leading PC and laptop manufacturing companies. Dell converted the traditional PC sales models on its head with build to order and direct sales. Dell disrupted the PC industry with customized, high quality, affordable PCs by avoiding retail locations, high touch sales, and minimizing inventory and depreciation cost. In this video, we will see the history of Dell, its growth, overall market view, and segmentation.
Welcome to FORSE Edu, a place where all business and supply chain enthusiasts come for a weekly dose of knowledge. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you're missing out on value-adding content.
In order to directly provide their clients with computers that fulfill their demands, Michael Dell launched Dell in 1984. He was still enrolled at the University of Texas then, and the business was known as PCs Limited. The Turbo, a computer from Dell that ported an 8 MHz processor, was released the following year. The main objective was to create a personal computer system that was compatible with IBM and were made solely of stock components. The company stood out for its customer-centric approach, allowing customers to customize their PCs during purchase. This was feasible due to the custom assembly of each computer. In 1991, Dell released the FORSE laptop. By 1993, it had risen to become one of the top 5 computer manufacturers in the world. Dell's share price was $8.5 in 1988 and rose to $100 in 1995. Rapid corporate growth led to Dell shipping its 10 million system in 1997. The growth of Dell is to provide the most satisfactory customer experience across all markets it serves, in order to become the most prosperous IT system company in the world. Dell's business strategy is to design and develop its goods and services. In order to cut costs and expedite product delivery, it outsources the actual production of its product to independent contract manufacturers. Texas, Malaysia, China, Brazil, India, and Poland are the countries with production plants. Talking about Dell's segmentation, Dell's heritage is to make high-quality personal computers, servers, storage, and services available. To separate itself from its competitors in the market, Dell promotes itself through user and benefit-based positioning techniques. The Dell XPS, known as the Extreme Performance System, is a range of high-end laptop and desktop. The Dell XPS series offers powerful mobile computing. The growth of the XPS line has been quite a trip, but it has always emphasized the need to keep pace with the growing technology and customer computing demands, making the XPS series one of the most sought-after Windows laptop. Inspiron. Dell sells the Inspiron brand of laptop computers, desktop PCs, and all-in-one computers geared for consumers. From laptops to 2-in-1 convertibles to desktops, Dell provides devices at an outstanding value for every purpose, enabling consumers to create and share content quickly, connect with the people who mean the most to them, and advance their careers. Alienware. Alienware is an American subsidiary of Dell's Computers Hardware division. Their product line is comprised only of gaming laptops with alien-themed aesthetics. The gaming community uses Alienware laptops since they are developed for gaming, so we may refer to them as gaming laptops. Gamers are primarily concerned with the performance, graphics, and the speed of these laptops, so it may be utilized to play and game.
Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned to our channel FORSE Edu for more such informative videos.